Hello everyone. This is the BOM extractor tool which I was working lately. So what is the use of this particular tool? Imagine a situation that you have a very complex 3D model and you want to extract the BOM for the build-up sections from that. So what is the traditional way of doing it? We need to take each member, go through its web thickness, flange thickness and its length and multiply it by the unit weight and get our weight for that particular member. So we have to repeat this process for all the members, right? If the 3D model is very complex, this particular task will be tedious and it is very time consuming. So that is where the BOM extractor came in. Okay, so let me demonstrate. Okay, this is my 3D model. So I want to extract the weight for the build-up sections, right? I have already applied a steel member takeoff for the sections, for the build-up sections, so that we can cross verify our results. Okay. In order to run the program, we have to go through the following steps. Okay. So first we need to select the members in STAAD for which BOM is required, and then come back to the template and press Ctrl+Shift+R to run the program. Okay. And kindly note, only the weights of build-up I sections will be calculated, and make sure only one instance of STAAD is running. So in order to view this help again, you have to press Ctrl+Shift+H. Okay. So let me go to the STAAD model and let me select the entire model. Even though the selection includes the hot roll sections, the BOM extractor tool only takes the weight of the buildup. So we don't have to pick the buildup members manually, right? Now going to the extractor and pressing Ctrl+Shift+R. So yeah, we got our breakup here. So there are 4 different plate sections used in the model, and their weights in kg and in metric ton. So my final weight is 49.761. And kindly note that there is a positive error of plus 0.2% in the weight calculated using this worksheet. So for example, your STAAD weight is 100 kg, then the sheet would produce a result of 100.2. Okay. So cross verifying our result, my takeoff weight is 49.656 metric tons. So it is in kg. Okay. And my BOM weight is 49.761. So there is a positive error of 0.2%. And the result matches. Okay. So let us look into different possibilities with the tool. Okay. So this is the weight of entire model. So what if we require only a weight of a single frame? Just select the frame and go to the extractor tool, run the program. So we get the weight for a single frame, which is 5.01 metric tons. And say, what if I just selected the hot roll section? So I have provided a bracing, rod bracing. Its weight should not be recorded in the BOM. Okay. So I'm running a program and it is throwing me an error like there are no build-up sections in your selection, and kindly select the member again. And let us say that I don't select anything, and I'm going here and I'm running the program with Ctrl+Shift+R, and here it shows us like kindly select the members in STAAD to extract the BOM. And what if I run the program without even opening a STAAD? Okay, so I'm closing it, going to the program, and I'm running it. So it is showing an error like open STAAD file and select the members first to run the program. And that's all about the tool. Hope it would be helpful, and thank you.